Heading back to the big story now, the indifference and disregard for norms has left half of India without electricity after power grids in the northern and the eastern parts of the country crashed. Yet the errant states are now striking a defiant note, refusing to acknowledge responsibility. Instead, the states are hitting out at the centre, which has threatened to take legal action against them.
It's an established fact that states overdrew power, triggering the collapse of grids, leaving half of India without power. But these numbers, which translate to the blame for the world's biggest blackout, don't mean much for the states concerned, whose indiscipline has led to the massive crisis. Here are the numbers for Uttar Pradesh. But they're clearly not enough for Akhilesh's government to take a reality check. Haryana too has overdrawn electricity, but the Chief Minister says he should have been warned.
नहीं ज़्यादा नहीं ओवरड्रॉ की जाती है, हर प्रदेश करता है। जब फ्रीक्वेंसी 49.5 से कम हो जाती है तो वार्निंग आती है। कोई वार्निंग नहीं आई, जो ये बात कह रहे हैं उस टाइम फ्रीक्वेंसी 50 से कम कभी आई नहीं।
Punjab on record denying the charge made against it, even though numbers speak otherwise.
I said earlier, look at, we have overdrawn 1%. And yet we have taken a very serious view of that, and I can assure you we will not be doing so again.
And the fight gets political as the states take on the centre once again.
There are a host of governance issues which needs to be addressed, policy issues which needs to be addressed to meet the gap between the demand and supply. And this government has not worked towards it at all.
The fact of the matter is they all enjoyed electricity till now, till this incident happened. And instead of all of us collectively coming together to see what each one of us can contribute to ensure that we don't have a situation falling in like this, we have all this great posturing that is happening all over. Everyone wants their slice of the pie without contributing to it.
But in the end, these numbers translate to paralysis for the consumer, who bears the brunt for the irresponsibility of those putting at risk a nation of over a billion.
2003 Electricity Act clearly said it was not to give favors to the babus to sit in the regulatory commission. You see, all the people who are sitting in the regulatory commission, it's all a reward posting given to the government bureaucrats or government favored people. They must act, and if they are not acting, they have to be removed from that place where they are not heard.
And it's not something that happened just yesterday. It's something that's been known through the last few months. The world is laughing at India for the mess that we've landed ourselves in. And there's been a change of guard at the power centre. Can Veerappa Moily ensure the lights don't go off? Bureau Report, Times Now.